Here we go.
It's the place fun never ends. Take your pick and click. Ned and Friends.
Welcome to Ned Shorts!
Hey there! Welcome to Ned's Tricky Word Challenge. Or should I say, the prodigious word proposition. I'd like to introduce my esteemed colleague and wonderful friend, Ned. And my name is Doug, and I love words. So in this ongoing series, we are going to expand your vocabulary by dissecting and discussing the etymology of our preferred. You're right, that is a lot to start with. Why don't we make that our first tricky word? Etymology. Etymology is a noun, which means the study of the history of words. So it's like a word's life story, where it was born, where it grew up, how it changed over time. So the word etymology was born in Greece. And it's grown from two very old Greek words, etymos and logia. Now let's start with etymos. You and I speak English, so we would understand this translated as true. But that's not quite what the Greeks meant by it. You're right. See, they didn't mean true like that's correct. They mean true like original or essential. Words are the essentials of communication. Yeah, sometimes it makes my head hurt too. Yeah, you're right. The second word, logia, does look a lot like logic. It actually means to study, which is why you might recognize it from a class that you're taking. See, bio, logia, biology, or psych, logia, psychology, or etymos, logia, etymology. That's a great question, Ned. And you're right. The ancient Greeks and Romans did use the word etymologia. But as their language started to spread throughout the rest of Europe, different cultures with different ways of speaking said their words a little differently. Like the French said the words etymologia as etymologie. And when etymologie jumped across the channel from France to England, England started saying etymology. And here we are. That's how we say it now today. Etymology. Crystal clear? So now that we understand what it means, why don't we try using it in a sentence? Ned, like a sentence you would say in real life. Like, what if I were to tell you a word that you didn't know? You could say, there you go, much better. Thanks for watching the Tricky Word Challenge. We challenge you to use the word etymology in a sentence the next time you're having a conversation. And for more fun words and fun activities with Ned and all his friends, be sure to hit like and subscribe below. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.